What's up, you guys? It's Neil Clark with another video, and today we are going to be doing a What's in My Baseball Bag 2021. And like, comment, share, and subscribe. And then put me in, like, comment down below some more, ideas. So let's get into this right here. So first thing that I'm going to pull out is my brand new cleats right here. These are actually really nice. I like these. This has like a nice gel texture on the bottom. I like these. And here's the other clique. Put this out right here. Both are the same. They're nice. I like them. Next, now into bats. Here we have my Rawlings. Right here, my Rawlings 5150, drop 10, drop 10, 31 inch. This is actually really nice. U-Triple SA. And yes, I need some pine tar, so then that does not slip out my hands. And I actually have 3 bats. This is my second bat. Well, this is my first bat right here. And then this is my second bat right here. I like this bat actually. That's really nice. I got the Marucci F5 drop 3 BB core. As you can see right there, BB core. 32. This is a nice really bat. I like this bat. And then I have one more bat right here. We have a, let's put this out. I have my Easton right here. My Easton S500 U-Triple SA drop 5. Really nice. Pine tar on it, yes, right there. Put some pine tar on my grip right here, just a little bit so I can wrap my hands around it. And this is my baseball grip. So what I usually do is that I usually hang a pinky, just like that, so it like gives me like more freedom of my bottom hand right here. Yes, I am right-handed right here. So I like this grip. And then I do that with every single one of my bats. And then down to, we're going into my bag right now. So here we have our turfs, New Balance, nice grip. These are a size 11 right here. These are nice too. Oh, and these are my new cleats. These are a size 12, so I have big feet. Right here's my other turf shoe. And then we have our gloves. Right here we have my catching glove right here. It's really nice. I like this. This thing that gives like really nice pop to it. Especially when you catch it right in the middle, right here. It's really nice. Good for blocking too. Got this like a few months ago. Hardly even use it because my coach last year, he was a bum. So, yeah, this is a nice glove right here. This is a Rawlings, 33 inch. I have a big hand, kind of. And catcher's mitt, really nice. Then we have my bat weight right here. This thing has lasted 3 years, you guys, 3 years. This thing's actually really nice. It's getting a little wear and tear on it, but it's all good. It's really nice. This is a really nice bat grip right here. Not bat grip, bat weight. Sorry. Then we have my shorts. I always keep a pair of shorts in my bag, like just because usually I do not know if I'm like playing in like a gym, like working out and stuff, or if I'm playing in grass and the field and stuff. So right here is some Nike shorts, dry fit shorts. Really nice. Really nice. And then we have my other glove. This is a Rawlings 2. This is a Rawlings 12-inch. This glove is actually really nice for. This is my all-around glove. I don't have two gloves. This one, my mitt, and this one here. It's actually really nice. I like this one. This is my all-around glove, pitching, third base, second base, all outfield. But the only position that I don't really play is probably first base, cause like that's for like big and buff people, fat people. And yes, I am pretty big myself, but I'm not like a huge fat person. So this is a really nice glove. I like it. Yes, it's flared. I flare it sometimes, especially playing like third base, cause when you're like catching the ball's like right here. Then it like won't come out, especially when you make the tag to somebody. So this is a really nice glove. I like it. And then we have my backup cleats right here. Then this bag that I got somewhere. I don't really know. These are my Under Armour cleats. These things are done for. These are my backup cleats. These spikes are done for. They was like right here maybe. Like they went down like just a hair. You know. But these things are nice, especially the toe part, how it's like nice and firm and stuff. And it's really nice. Had these were going off for 2 years. And they are size 9.5. These things are small on my feet. But somehow they do still fit me from these size 12. Like, bro, what the world? Then we have the other one. Yes, these are Under Armour cleats. I like Nike cleats overall than Under Armour, like just because of the fit, you know. So then we have my helmet, you guys. Right here, I have my helmet. This is a Easton helmet right here. Nice Easton helmet right there. This is a Elite helmet too. This is a nice helmet right here. Snap.
I've never actually had anything real like what you have with Bonnie. You're family.
Well, I don't know if you're.
I just can't stop the rod shadow. I even do with Bonnie. I keep trying to charm her.
I don't know if y'all can hear me. The stupid AirPod failed. Oh, now y'all can hear me. Okay. Well, this is a nice helmet right here. Nice helmet right here. It's easy, you know. It fits really well, especially when you're running. And I definitely recommend this helmet. Comes with the C flap, but it was lefty, and I didn't know I hit lefty, as you can see. And nice helmet, you know. And then sometimes it does get, you know, a little wobbly, especially when you run a full sprint, and then you know, you might have to, you know, pull a little Bryce Harper. But yeah, guys, that is all in my baseball bag. And the few things that I definitely recommend is this helmet right here. Nice firm helmet. Right here, Easton helmet. These turfs right here. Really nice fit. These things feel like a shoe, like a tennis shoe, like a tennis shoe, basically. Cause it kind of is just a shoe, but it's turf. And I recommend this bat. The sweet spot is like kind of small, it's like right here near the F5. F5 right here. That's loud. Yeah, it's a great bat right here. And then the other bat that I recommend is probably this Easton right here. This Eason F500. This YouTube I say, of course. And then I would recommend this glove right here. Got it for like $60, pretty cheap. Look at the envelope. No, it's a nice glove. And then this glove right here too. Right here. This is my Rolex glove. This is the Outfitters glove, but it's right there. And then I recommend these cleats. Right here. These cleats. And these shorts. And then that'll be all for my baseball bag 2021. And if you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe. And you know, really put down some good ideas in the comments down below. I will greatly appreciate that. So love you guys. See ya the next video, I guess.